Hi everybody and welcome back. This is Umair from Tutorials Hub, and today we will be discussing about how to add or import reviews from any websites to Shopify. Now before we begin, there's a link in the description of this video using which you can access Shopify first month for just $1. So it is a really amazing deal that you should not be missing out. Make sure to give a try. Okay, so now currently, as you can see, I'm on landing page of Shopify, and the very first thing is, of course, you need to log into your account. So click on the login on the top right side of your account, and once you do that, you can simply head over to your email address, enter your email address and your password. Now before we begin, let me tell you that importing reviews is something that can vitally make your products more engaging, since it is going to be having some reviews so people can have a better idea of exactly what you are selling and whether people are liking it or not. So let's just get going. Okay, so currently, as you can see, I'm inside my Shopify account, and now what we need to do is, of course, to import reviews we need to get some kind of application. So there is a manual method as well, which I do not actually recommend. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's just say I'm using Amazon to import reviews. So if I head over to my products on the left side of my page, as you can see in here, in one of our previous video, I added these products, and we will be talking about in detail how you can add these products as well and create your listings onto your account. So let's just say if we take an example of this product, and if we preview it, you will be have an idea that it currently do not have any reviews. So let me just show you on my storefront as well. So yeah, here as you can see, basically this is in here. If we head over to our catalog, you can see we have our listings. So let's just jump onto our product. So here it is, but unfortunately currently there's no reviews and anything like that, so people can have a better idea, and we are going to be fixing it really soon. Okay, so the very first thing that you should be doing is you need to simply open the exact same thing onto whatever, let's say, store that you want to import your reviews from. So it could be from Amazon, it could be from any other app. So as I told you, I'm going to be using Amazon in my case. So let's just head over to Amazon, and there we need to be searching up for this particular product, which is, you can say, like Logitech 402 in our case. So let's just try to search for that. Let's just exactly copy its name and put it into search in Amazon. So it is a quite popular mouse. It should be available somewhere. You can see we have a lot of them being listed in here. The very first thing is you need to make sure that the product actually have reviews. So if you're using any type of website and it do not have reviews, then it is going to be useless to do all the hassle. You can see currently it have 75 reviews. Let's just dive in more and see what it has to offer. So scroll a little bit down and let's just go through its reviews. So you can see the product information, and if we go even more down, you can see we have some pictures for the mouse, and we also have various amazing reviews. So you can see people are saying different suggestions: fantastic mouse, great for computer aided design operators, product works as described, and really good. Some of them even have some images. So this is the exact thing that we need. So now the second part of this process is going to be search up for the application that is going to be importing the reviews from the Amazon or whatever store that you're trying to import them from to your store. So let's just go back to our home on Shopify, and you can see we have this apps at the bottom of point of sale, below basically point of sale. We need to head over to that, and here we need to search for import reviews, and just wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up, and you will be able to have an idea that we have various different type of applications offered in here. So let me zoom in a bit so you can see much more clearly. So the thing that we are supposed to be looking for, some of these applications might not be available for you for some reason. Could be a chance, but many of them should be available for you. So now you need to search for an app that has free plan available and also have a very solid rating. In my case, I can see we have a lot of them going on in here. So this one looks quite handy for me. You can see it is also for Amazon, but you can use or try any of these apps basically. So let me just go with this one, and I'm going to be installing it onto my Amazon. I'm sorry, I'm on my Shopify. So you can see it is asking for the details and access. Let's just click on install. Just wait for a couple of seconds until it is loading and everything. So you can see now it is processing. Okay, so you can see I have simply installed the application, and it is directly showing me all of these different products that I have added recently. And I have Amazon, AliExpress, Walmart, and you can also edit the reviews manually. This is the process that I do not suggest, since it is going to be taking a lot of time, but you can do it if you are really into customized reviews and you want a flexibility and perfection in your reviews. So you can do that as well. Really appreciate it if you do that, since you will be making your store even more to the point related to your products. So for the mouse, I'm going to be simply clicking on Amazon, and then what I need to do is simply paste in the URL. Now, what is this URL? This is going to be the Amazon one that we just located in here. So simply copy this URL from the top, as you can see, and so let's just try doing that. Copy, and then head over to our Shopify. Simply paste the link in here, and then you can filter through the stars reviews that you want to import. Let's just do 5, 4, and maybe 3 as well. If you want to go with all stars so it looks much more natural, then you can go with that as well. So you can also use photo reviews only. Let's just uncheck that, and you can see it is directed towards another section, but we can simply close this. So now once you're done with this, you can click on import Amazon reviews. So let's just click on that and just wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up and finishes its process. Okay, so basically now it have done, and so you can see the list is basically showing us all of the reviews that we have, and a really big list has been created. You can also choose manually from these and choose to delete them or copy or translate, and you can also click on this import option, and you can see you can even import more. So that's how simply you can import your reviews. And let's just get back to our Shopify storefront and see how is it looking. Alright, so here we are, the Logitech G402. Let's just scroll a little bit down, and you can see all these amazing reviews with along the pictures. You can also swipe through the pictures and check them out. So yeah, really amazing, and everything is basically listed in here. You can click on these extended so you can have a better idea of more reviews, since there are a lot of them. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. If this was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more, and you can head over to the link in the description to get first month on Shopify for just $1. See you guys around in the next video.